In the stillness of your own mind, there is a house you call your Father's house. It is not a building of stone or wood, but the awareness of being that is in all people. In John 14:2, Jesus says, "In my Father's house are many mansions." Neville Goddard reminds us that the mansions are not heavenly apartments awaiting us after death, but infinite states within consciousness itself. You are invited to walk through these rooms not by traveling through space, but by moving inward. Each state is a condition of mind, a mood, a belief, a way of feeling about yourself. When you enter a state of abundance, you become the man or woman who naturally sees plenty everywhere. When you dwell in a state of love, you see the world bathed in compassion. Whatever state you occupy becomes your mansion. The Father's house is your own I am, the unconditioned awareness that says, "I am wealthy, I am healed," or "I am secure," and thereby fashions itself into those forms. The many mansions are the unnumbered mansions Neville describes. They are countless possibilities waiting for you to inhabit them. If you are unhappy with the room you are currently living in, be it poverty, loneliness, or sickness, do not spend your days rearranging the furniture. Go to the doorway of your imagination and step into another room. Assume that you are already the person you desire to be. Feel the reality of that state with such vividness that it eclipses the evidence of your senses. In doing so, you prepare a place for yourself. You go before yourself in imagination, and your outer world follows. So how do you enter these mansions? The Song of Solomon offers a clue. In the 3rd chapter, the Shulamite speaks, "By night on my bed I sought him whom my soul loveth. I sought him, but I found him not." This yearning is not for a literal lover. It is the soul's longing for the beloved within. Neville taught that the masculine and feminine aspects of consciousness, the conscious mind and the subconscious, must unite. The conscious mind, the masculine, is the one who decides and declares. The subconscious, the feminine, is the receptive bed that brings forth what has been impressed upon it. When the Shulamite says she sought him by night on her bed, she is symbolically telling us to turn inward in the receptive, dream-like state just before sleep and seek the feeling of our wish fulfilled. On your bed, in the night of your mind when reason is quiet, you must join your wish to the feeling of its fulfillment. The verse continues, "I found him whom my soul loveth. I held him and would not let him go." Once you find the feeling of your fulfilled desire, hold it. Do not drop it for doubts or appearances. Cling to it with the tenacity of a lover who will not let go until union is consummated. To the world, this seems like fantasy. To Neville, it is the most practical thing you can do. In his lecture, he warns us not to be troubled by appearances and not to look to external helpers. Rather, he says to believe in the I am within. This is the way to every result you could ever desire. If you need a new home, do not look for a physical house first. Go to the mansion of feeling at home. If you need healing, dwell mentally in the state of health. Night after night, seek the beloved by bringing the feeling of your wish onto the bed of your subconscious. When you have found the feeling, sleep in it. That is your union with the beloved. In time, the world must mirror back what you have conceived in your inner chamber. The mystics spoke in parables and poetry because truth must be felt, not just understood. When Jesus tells us there are many mansions, he is urging us to stop limiting ourselves. You are not fated to live forever in the house of lack or sorrow. You can move. The Shulamite's search in the night is your own search through the darkness of unawareness for the light of I am. When she finds him, she will not let him go until she has brought him into her mother's house, the subconscious, so that the union may produce fruit. Here is the creative act. Your conscious affirmation fused with your unconscious feeling gives birth to reality. Let this message burn within you. Every time you say I am, you enter a mansion. Choose wisely. The Father has prepared unnumbered rooms. Do not wander aimlessly through the corridors of mediocrity when the door to joy stands wide open. Take time each night to lie on your bed and seek the feeling of the life you long to live. Hold that feeling as if it were your most cherished lover and refuse to let it go. It will become flesh. And when you walk into the world of forms, you will see that your Father's house is your own consciousness, and its many mansions are states you are free to occupy at will. This is the esoteric meaning of John 14:2 and Song of Solomon 3:1, and it is the gospel Neville preached with so much fervor and love. Believe him and believe in yourself, for the Father is within you.